everyone, I'm Mansi and
I'm Heli.
welcome back to our Hensi Creations. So today we are going to fabric warehouse. So we are gonna take you guys through the journey of buying, like going to the warehouse and looking at all the fabrics. The main purpose is we are gonna get fabric for scrunchies. So I thought let's take you guys along with us. So let's go. So we are by the fabric warehouse. It's in Rahway, New Jersey. So this is the fabric house warehouse. Basket. This is really soft. Yeah, this one we are getting with 1 yard, 2 yard. 1 yard. Yeah. This one is already 1 yard, right? So this one is also probably 1 yard.
We're taking all the same colors. We should take like different colors. What do you say, like something white? I really like that pink.
Yeah, take that one. And actually, instead of this one is better actually.
I feel like let's skip this,
Yeah.
take this, skip this. There.
This looks little weird. of plain we can get. This is nice, okay.
So we're back in the car after buying the whole. After we spent how much time?
Like an hour and something.
We got here at what, 2:30 something? No,
3 something.
3:15 something. Yeah, so like an hour. And we got this.
This gonna be our spring collection.
Yeah, it's very floral and very flowy material. It's very pretty. I really like this one. But then I like this also. Look at this.
So pretty.
Pink. Look at all this detail. I'm excited about this one.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah, so we got these two.
That's
And
gonna
this
be
will
our
be our-
spring
Yeah,
collection.
these two will be our new
We
one.
also got other scrunchies, but we can't show that right now. It's a surprise collection. We don't want to show everything in, like it will be, we'll show it when it's coming.
Yeah, maybe we'll not end up using those.
No, don't say that.
Yeah, but these two are the new ones.
Yeah.
And we have the other 6 that we started with.
Yeah.
So those plus these two.
So I will link the scrunchies that we already have in the link in the description box. And we are hoping to launch these in March. So which is, yeah, probably mid-March, right?
Yeah. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you liked it and found it informative a little, I guess.
Yeah, and also I will leave our Instagram page
Yeah.
in the description. So if you guys want to check out our scrunchies and buy them, feel free.
We also have a TikTok account.
Yeah, so I will link all my social media under, like all of our social media underneath.
Yeah.
So you guys can check those out and you can place order also and wait for the scrunchie. We'll probably upload this video after we launch the scrunchies. So yeah, if you are in New Jersey and if you wanna come by the warehouse, it's really like affordable.
And they also have so many different
Types of fabrics.
like a lot of varieties.
Yeah. So yeah, that was it for this video. Like it, share and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. And we'll probably see you guys in our next video.
Bye.